Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Assistant Inspector General of Police Dr. S.R. Marang ula pelajar ke khubor bagi dan laingot ki beria ki belasah kem halor ke jingjak rengai ki arngot ki syukurem ki bawan kai Syamekalia. Na kini ki laingot arngot ki dai na indoor jang ke jela Madhya Pradesh bat wei pat udai na Lalitpur Uttar Pradesh. Haka kerwa ki laong bahadian ke jingjak kem jang ki laingot ka Sonam Raghuvanshi kalawan pendam no elade Hananganj Police Station ka bahab ha Gazipur District jang ke jela Uttar Pradesh bat menta kadang dan haka ki jang ki pulen katkum ka kerwa nau AIGP ulaong baki pulen kami glia ki yang haganong remban treya ka hok bat ki lai khublaya baro nadu ki trashnong bat ki weipat ki playara bat kershan lang ha ka jing toket iki arngot syukurem ki becar ngai kumta ki laong baki pai ba ki diban long jai jai om ban pen sapriang kulmari ki khubor ki besyu asngau nang ni nang tai.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.